we go again. This client asked me if I can install a hydraulic tank on his truck. This is how it went.